Hello, this is the CRT man here. Today I have the Blueberry iMac G3 sitting on its face. Now you might be wondering, what the heck is going on? Well, since I found out this particular RAM is incompatible with the Dell Optiplex GX110, which is very disappointing, which means I have to get some alternate SD RAM. I'm going to put it back into this iMac and prepare it to be installing Jaguar, which might be a little of a challenge because I have no idea how to install Jaguar. So I'm gonna try to make a video of me putting in the RAM, and I don't have a tripod or anything, so I'm gonna need some kind of like area or device that's high enough to support like the actual filming of me putting in the RAM. I don't know, this is just like, I don't even know why I'm making this. I'm actually stacking up on top of my Lego stuff. Yeah, the monitor was a little bit cracked, I accidentally dropped it. Don't worry. You have the floppy drive. So, I'm trying to see if I can get this, trying to see if I could get a good shot. Maybe I'll just have to do RAM with one hand. I'll try it like CRT Hell did in his bloopers video. So let's see. It's supposed to go in that way. I put the RAM in a plastic bag to avoid it getting damaged or dirty or any terrible stuff like that. So we have the RAM. Very hard to do with one hand. And alright, I got it in the slot. Now I just gotta firmly push down. I'm right-handed, but this is my left thumb. Jeez, this is gonna be bad. Well, I'm not gonna get shocked or anything. I'm just, man. I guess this will just be the CRT man's RAM blooper. So, I'll inform you when I'm done putting in the RAM. So, thanks for watching. Oh, and say hi to Indigo and Ruby sitting next together. Aren't they so cute? You could just eat them. Yeah, thanks for watching.